Colonel G.S. Radke, retired from the army after 30 years of service, mechanical engineer from College of Engineering, Pune, 1985 batch, now working for the last 7.5 years with Symbiosis as senior campus administrator. We have installed waterless urinal in our male toilets at Symbiosis Vimannagar campuses. Okay, one of the main reasons is, if you really see, future wars are going to be pots for water and not for land. Water is a scarcity and it is a nectar of life, and our main aim is water conservation. That is why we have installed about in one male toilet, complete about 20 odd these waterless urinal trap, and it has resulted in a lot of savings of water. In Vimannagar, where water is really a scarcity and people live on tankers, this saving will go in a long way. There is hardly any maintenance on this. In case of any difficulties or any blockages, all we immediately contact the Ekam Solutions, and they are very prompt in giving us advice, and accordingly our complete housekeeping staff have been briefed how to maintain it. And we have also installed posters, signages inside the toilets so that other people are also aware, and now we are in the process of implementing it all across Symbiosis. I also urge everyone that all the universities or the colleges where these toilets are there, they may put all these waterless urinal trap. So it will become a saving, and students carry a good message about environment also and about savings. Thank you.